Now let us see the term infosec. Infosec, now what do you mean by infosec? Infosec is nothing but information security. So now we have seen what is information, we have seen what is data. Now we are going to provide security to our information. It is very important to provide the security to our information. As we know, if the information is not secure, what can happen and what other people can do with our information. If the information is not secure, if the information gets lost or gets misused, is ultimately going to affect to the user whose that information is. So let us see why the word security is very important in the information system. See, the protection of information, protection is nothing but the security. Now let us see protection of information system against. What we are going to do here, we are protecting our information from or against unauthorized access. Means we are going to save our information, we are going to prevent our information from unauthorized, or you can say illegal use. Unauthorized person, the person who we don't know, and we really don't know what the person can do with our data, with our information. So we are going to provide, or we are going to prevent our information, and we are going to protect our information from such illegal or unauthorized access. Or modification of information, that means your original information gets changed or gets misused, whether in storage, processing, or transit, and against the denial of service to authorized users, including those measures necessary to detect, document, and counter such threats. So basically, infosec is focused on protecting and providing security to our information, and there is a lot of threat to our information. Yes, we don't know when the threat can occur, but we can always take the guarantee that we are providing the security and protection to our information. Now, let us see, as computers and other digital devices have become essential to business and commerce, they have also increasingly become a target for attacks. Obviously, information is growing speed in a speed way or in a fast. It is the main reason why it is becoming the target for the attackers. Now see, in order for company or an individual to use a computing device with confidence, they must first be assured that the devices is not compromised. Since we are using or we are storing our important or valuable information in the system, we are going to look that our system is not compromised in any way. If our system is secure, then definitely we are going to store our information in that particular system. But if the system is compromised, becomes impossible and questionable that is our information is really secure in that system. Now all communication will be secure. In this chapter, we will review the fundamentals concept of information system security, and discuss some of the measures that to be taken to mitigate security threats. We will begin with an overview focusing on how organizations can stay secure, several different measures that a company take to improve security will be discussed. So here we are going to see that how can we take the steps towards protecting our information, securing our information is the main focus, and that we are going to see in this chapter. We are going to see what are all those possible ways so that we can provide a security or strong security to our information. We will then follow up by reviewing security precautions that individuals can take in order to secure their personal computing environment. So we are going to see what are those steps, what are the possible ways that can prevent our information and we can protect our information strongly. Now, information system security, more commonly referred to as InfoSec, refers to the process and methodologies involved with keeping information confident, available, and assuring its integrity. This is a very, very, very important that we are providing security to our informations. Means exactly what we are providing. We are providing, the first thing is confidentiality. Second thing, we are giving or we are providing availability, and the third thing is integrity. If these three things, confidentiality, then availability and integrity, it if it is present, then only we can say that our information is safe and secure. So this is nothing but basically a CIA triad, means confidentiality, integrity, and availability.